and his son end up marrying a Filipina. What a coincidence.
Strange.
There's MaryAnn doing her editing.
I'm editing, guys.
It's a little something we picked up for you that you could have this. I tried to get Roxy to bring it to you. I put it under her collar. She shook and shook until it went flying.
Oh, what is this? Early Christmas?
Yes.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Hi guys, good morning everything. Good morning. This morning is gagawa lang ako na kasi parang tagilid. A little bit tilted. So, gagawa lang ako ng fried rice. Konti na lang itong rice namin. Dami. And mag-cut lang ako ng fried rice and tawag nun, uy, ginoo ko, nakalimutan ko na. Sunny side up egg. Guys, naliligo lang yung asawa ko kasi alis po siya maaga kasi ulan. So, mag-ano lang tayo para sa rice at saka sa rice and luto lang tayo ng breakfast. Argentina corned beef. Corned beef. It's almost 7 o'clock. Almost 7 o'clock. Maano ako guys sa rice kasi alam nyo naman kapag fried rice talaga is isang paboritong kasi malasa yung fried rice kaysa plain rice. Usually hindi ko siya lagyan ng onion pero this time lagyan natin para malasa. Tapos na akong nagluluto ng fried rice. And then, Argentina. And then, yung egg is mamaya na lang. Andun pa kasi si Tami sa shower. So, pag bumaba na siya, dun yun natin lulutuin yung egg. Si Misty hindi kumakain dahil ayaw niyang kumain. Nagtago. So, yun. Pabayaan natin yan. Magtago. Mamaya pa yan kakain pag magutom na. So, kapag hindi sila kumakain ng breakfast, maghintay sila hanggang dinner time. There guys. Kakain tayo. So, ininit ko lang yung fried rice niya kasi. Why? Hala, hala, hala! The egg went, honey, the egg went jumping. Ha?
I hate when eggs jump.
You can have more if you want. Where's your coffee? Huh?
Here somewhere.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Ganito kami guys, kapag kumakain na yan, hindi mo na makausap. Kapag nakahawak ng cellphone din, hindi mo na makausap. Buti pang mag-isa sa mundo. We have a very Filipino breakfast guys. The thing is we don't have dried fish. What is that for? Ha? Lubat na pala ako. Ito yung ano ni Bianan. Labhan ko rin ito. Maganda pa siya man guys. It's nice to yan, gamitin sa mga party. At saka ito din. It's so dirty this one too. It's a silver. It's a real silver guys. The real silver become tarnished. This is like this.
That's for serving shrimp cocktail.
Yeah.
Cocktail sauce in there.
Oh, this is wrong.
That's it. There you go.
Okay. This is very
Toothpicks
social.
go in those things.
Look.
Where you put toothpicks, there's a cocktail sauce and shrimp go in there.
Look. This is a...
In case you're wondering.
Yeah. Tommy need to clean it up. But the thing about this clean it up later, and then few weeks later will be tarnished again. So that's
Doesn't
why
tarnish that quick.
that's why I kind of doesn't like using, because Tommy have a lot of silverware, and it's really ugly. Even mom, it's ugly looking when it become like tarnishy. Ito, mga gamit ni Bianan, tablecloth. Maganda siya guys, oy, yung mga tablecloth. So, may ano pa talaga. Brand new ata ito, hindi nila nagamit. I'm just going to wash this, clean it up. Hala, made in the Philippines! Guys, made in the Philippines! Made in the Philippines. Nasa ibabaw ito. May paggawaan pala tayo noon. Matagal na ito, guys. Made in the Philippines. Easy care, no iron, stain resistant, wash dark. Where this made?
Where is it made?
Yeah.
I would guess Italy.
Philippines.
Oh, okay.
I was surprised. He said, "Oh, my mother-in-law got this made from the Philippines, and his son ended up marrying a Filipina. What a coincidence!" Come here, love.
Strange.
Oh, I love you.
Love you too.
I
Get
will
ready
see you
to go.
tonight. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye, guys.
He's leaving me. So meron tayo ditong lumpia wrapper. So, hindi siya square. Hindi siya square. So, maganda sana yung square yung nabili ko. Kaso, wala silang square. Kasi, kapag square, ikakat ko siya. So, ngayon, ito na lang siya. So, I think okay na to. Alexa, volume down. Parang iba ito, no? Mas gusto ko yung square na ano, spring roll. So guys, yung napanood ko kay Judy, ang ginagawa ni Judy to make it not messy, para hindi siya maging messy, hindi siya ano. So, yun yung gagawin natin. I-try natin, ha. So, yun. Ito yung ano, minamarinate natin kahapon. Okay. Ito siya, guys. Okay, guys. Ito siya, guys. Next time, I won't buy this kind of wrapper. So, I'm going to try to, fry maybe 5 pieces of this para lunch. So, yon ang ginawa ko, ang lapit pala sa mukha. So, magpa-fry tayo. Hindi natin gamitin yung fryer na nakita ko. Yung sa akin, yung old fryer ko. Hindi natin gamitin kasi sobrang laki yun. At kailangan mo maramihang fry yun kasi oil, diba? So, mag-fry tayo ng mga 5. I think I have a little bit of oil over there. Let's see what kind of... Saan ko ba ito nagamit? Hindi ba? Hindi pa mainit. Hindi pa mainit, oy. Kayo talaga ba? Pataka man kayo. Huwag kayo magpataka-taka. Hindi pa mainit, oy. Kasi hindi wala pang bula-bula. Noon sa isang bahay, mahilig akong magawa ng mga Filipino dessert, Filipino food, yung mga ganito, yung mga picking, yung mga ganito. Mahilig ako noon kasi si Bianan, kapag nakikita ko na kumakain siya, nasasayahan ako kasi uy, nagustuhan niya. Lalot na kapag mga dessert, gusto-gusto niya yung mga litchi flan, yung mga cassava cake, at saka yung gumawa ako ng ang pinakagusto talaga niya is yung avocado shake. Gustong-gusto ni Bianan yon. Kasi sabi pa niya, hindi daw niya sa buong buhay niya kasi tropical kasi doon sa Costa Rica, 'di ba? Costa Rica, hindi Costa Rica. Puerto Rico. Sa Puerto Rico is siya yung tropical. Sabi pa ni Bianan, sa buong buhay daw niya, na kumakain siya, mahilig siya sa Alexa, volume 2. Mahilig siya kumakain ng avocado. Pero sabi ko, itry mo na ito shake. Nagustuhan niya, guys. Lalo't na summer. Gustong-gusto talaga niya yun. Ito guys, hindi ito yung katulad sa iba na liligid na na sobrahan yung oil. Ito lang yung oil ko kasi nasasayangan ako kung maraming oil. Hindi masaya ang lumpia pag walang rice. Luto tayo agad. Luto agad kasi walang rice. First batch. Grabe ka crunchy guys. Oh. Crunchy kaya yung niya wrapper. I think okay siya kahit sobrang guys. Kahit siya, yung kahit tawag nito, dry yung wrapper niya. Pero look, sobrang tigas niya. Look, oh. Sobrang tigas talaga guys, as in. Second batch natin. Yung rice ko hindi pa tapos. So, yun. Kain tayo. Sobrang crunchy niya. Yung marination ko ng pork, okay lang siya. Nandun yung wrapper, sobrang crunchy. Kahit wala ng rice. Sarap eh. Ang init ng rice, grabe. Masarap eh. Hindi inasahan. Masarap ito. Itong maploy. Ang spicy. Actually, hindi siya spicy. Sweet. May bite konti. Nakakabusog guys. Masarap para yung wrapper niya. I mean, hindi masarap. Maganda pala siya gamitin. Kasi sobrang crunchy. Nag-hold talaga siya. Ina-underestimate ko kasi sobrang dry kanina. Nahirapan ako. Pero pag na talaga, masarap siya. Natutulog lang itong mga alaga ko. Punta lang tayo sa taas. Kasi, di ba galing si Tami doon kahapon? Kahapon, nag-ano ng mga Christmas lights, diba? Nag-add siya. So, tignan natin yung window dito. Baka open. Kasi, dito si Tami, diba? Baka naka-open yung window. Andin yung tubig papasok dito. Ay, patay. Look, on din dito. On din yung light. Bakit on yung light? Nagtataka ako, bakit on? Hindi ito dapat on. Itong light, hindi ito dapat naka-on. Dito muna tayo sa taas, guys. Magmuni-muni. And then, let's turn this on. Yan. Masarap yan. Magmuni-muni dito. And then, dito lang yung light. Oh my God. So, on natin yung Christmas tree. And yung Christmas decor sa bahay is sa labas. Is ano naman, on sila. Look, maulan talaga. Oh. At saka ang hangin. Don't worry. Be happy. Ang ano ng panahon ngayon ay i-close natin itong window. Pababa natin kasi kapag wala si Tami dito, guys, kapag ako lang isa, yung blind naka-close yan. I mean, nakababa yung blind and then i-close natin konti para kasi tayo lang dito para wala ang makasilip sa atin. Alam niyo na, pasulyap-sulyap. Takot tayo sa mga ganito, guys. Lalo na ngayong panahon. Ay, nako. Alam nyo, guys, every time nakakain talaga ako. Masarap man siya, guys, pero every time nakakain ako ng lumpia, yung dugab ko, yung burp ko, is lumpia din siya. Maasid sa tiyan ko ba? Sayang talaga. I mean, kakain tayo nito kapag mag-ano, yung parang magutom ba. Pero mag-acid talaga yung ano ko, guys, tiyan ko. Ano ng oras? Oh, Hubs is asking for food. Alam nyo, mas gusto ko itong bahaw kakainin kaysa mainit na rice. Gusto ko yung bahaw, yung hindi sa refrigerator ha, yung kaluluto mo lang ng ilang oras. And then, maginaw-ginaw na siya. So, ngayon, I don't know kung uuwi si Mister. Yung ulan doon, mahangin daw doon, guys, parang bagyo. Parang bagyo daw. Hindi na ako nakasama. Kasi sasama sana ako. Pero, ang problema, sabi pa niya, takot daw siya mag-drive ako mag-isa para makabalik anytime. Takot daw siya, so hindi na lang ako nakasama. Ano daw, kuno delikado, yung weather is grabe. Itotoo naman. Mag-dinner lang ako, guys. Ako lang bang isa baya. So, sabi ko, ayaw ko ng lumpia muna kasi yung acid ko parang yung lumpia, yung ano ko pang ano yung mga kinakain ko is ngayon sardines tayo, di ba? Sardines. And lagyan ko siya ng sukang pinakurat. Yun yung ano ko kasi masarap kasi siya. 6:35 na ng gabi, guys. So, ngayon sardines. And also, manonood ako ng mga movie sa Amazon. Kasi meron kaming Amazon Prime. So, may mga movie tayong mapapanood. Sarap ng sardines.
Rox. Good girl. Come on, Rox. We're going to get something for your mama. Come on. Come here, Rox. Come here. I want you to bring this to your mama. Can you bring this to your mama? I want you to give this to her. Yeah, come here. If I put it under your collar, could you bring it to her? Bring this to your mama. I put it under your collar. Hold on. Oh, no. Okay, you'll give it to your mama. Oh, you didn't do good. Why? Okay, fine. Here is scotch. Quiet. We're filming the puppy. What's that puppy doing? We're gonna give this to MaryAnn while she's doing her editing. Oh, one puppy inside, one puppy outside. Now they can stare at each other through the glass door. Oh, there's MaryAnn doing her editing.
I'm editing, guys.
It's a little something we picked up for you that you could have this. I tried to get Roxy to bring it to you. I put it under her collar. She shook and shook until it went flying.
Oh, what is this? Early Christmas?
It's not a Christmas.
Early Christmas? Is this for me?
It's just a little something. It's for you.
Oh, this is so nice.
Yeah.
Guys, this is so nice.
It did not focus.
Huh? Not
didn't-
focus?
no, it didn't
Thank
focus.
you, hon. Thank you. It's early Christmas gift.
Yeah, you can have your camera. You can make it focus. It just went blurry when you held it up to the camera.
Thank you, B-boy.
Yeah.
Hug, hug, hug. Thank you.
Back that.
Aray. Thank you. Oh my God, honey.
No, what my face?
Han, I got early Christmas gift. May similar ako nito eh. May para akong ganito. Isa, maliit lang yun. Thank you, Han.
Bye.
Thank you. Come here, I'll give you.
I wanted to be under Roxy's collar so she can bring it over to you and jump on you and then you'd be like, what the hell is this?
Come here, give me a
She's
hug.
not really
Thank
good-
you.
She's not really good with that stuff.
Even he give me a gift, guys. He's still with his phone. Look at it. Look.
Still recording. Still recording.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right.
I love you.
Yeah, me too. We're still recording.
Nagre-record siya.
Well, Rox, you didn't want to help, so you didn't help.
Ay, anong klase ito, Han? What did you eat? Why you give me the ring and now the earrings? What been you eating? What did you eat?
What did I eat?
Yeah, you eat something. You get poison of something.
It must be the new drug laws they keep passing.
Meron akong ganito eh. Nandun sa ano. Meron akong ganito. Maliit lang siya. Saka alam nyo naman, gusto ko itong kulay. Alam niya ito. Meron akong ganito talaga. Early Christmas gift. Nakakasyak. Nag-i-edit lang ako dito.
In this extraordinary crisis. Greg Tufel, we thank you for being with us and we thank you for all you're doing. Joining us this evening is
I love
Greg
you.
Tufel.
I love you too.
But yeah, surprise! I don't have nothing for you, Han, for Christmas.
We need to get stuff for the kids, though.
No, I think-
we need to order for the kids.
Who's kid?
For Steven's kids, for Thomas, for little Angie's kid.
Oh God, there's so many kids.
Yeah, well,
I'm planning to do giveaway. It's a small giveaway for Christmas for my viewers. So yun guys. So I think alam ko na. I think I know what I'm getting him. But why there's a lot of surprises?
I don't know. There's a lot of surprises.
Nakakaano siya, nakakalito. Nalilito ako bakit ganito ka-sweet. Ay, sweet. He's always been sweet, guys. You know what, guys? He gave me gift after that. On the phone.
I'm following election stuff.
Thank you, really, Han, from the bottom of my heart. Meron talaga ako nito eh. Hanapin nga natin. Yan. Yep. Andyan.